Hey guys, it's your girl Natural Hair is Key, and I'm back with another video, or should I say braidless crochet. So let's get into this blue tutorial, shall we? Okay guys, and this is the hair that I'm gonna be using, and I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, of course. It's the best way to start, right? And here is our struggle flat twist pattern. But hey, it's going to get the job done. So that's all that matters. Okay, guys. So if you're wondering, this is the first time I ever installed blue hair. Blue locks, blue anything. I never had blue hair before. And this was a first for me. I wasn't, used to walking around like a Smurf. But it was definitely an experience. I'll say that. Just a quick tip. Make sure that you hook the very ends of the lock, or you can do middle to the end. But if the lock is like thick, where it's not going to be like flexible, then you want to make sure that you're hooking the very end of the lock so that you can insert it through the hole. Otherwise, it's not going to go through the hole and you're going to be struggling. So just remember to hook the bottom of the lock, pull it through, and then just pull down the knot to tighten it up. Please forgive me, by the way. I don't know what happened, but at the end of the recording for the final look, my camera wasn't on, so I didn't get that footage. However, I did insert some final pictures at the end, so you will see those in about a minute or two. And as Looney Tunes would say, that's all, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the blue hair as well. And of course, I will catch you on my next video.